everyone, welcome again to our eClass 101 tutorial. So for today's session, we're going to add another activity, which is assignment. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's turn editing on. After turning editing on, in the previous tutorial, I have shown you how to use a label to separate one lesson from another. So this is the beginning of my lesson 2. So this time I'm going to make an assignment, and the title of my assignment is Lesson 2 Option 1. Okay, so my instruction would be print the attached file, and answer. Get a photo of your answers and upload your files here. Okay, so that will be my instruction. Now, what I did with my learning kit is I removed the file. I'll remove the option 1. I removed the answer sheet and created a new file. So what I will do is I will first delete I will only focus on this option. Okay, so I will rename it as lesson 2 option 1. Okay, so this is lesson 2 option 1. So what I'll do now is I am going to attach lesson 2 option 1 because they're going to answer lesson 2 option 1. Now this will due on the 21st. Time is 23 and 59 minutes. Okay, next is submission type. Since I asked them to get a photo of my activity, because in my case my activity is, okay, they're supposed to cut and paste something, okay, and then they're supposed to do this, so they're going to write. So I asked them to get a photo of this, okay, after printing it, or get a photo or scan, get a photo, okay, scan or take a photo of your answers and upload your files here. Okay, so technically my for option 1, I have 2 pages here. So if ever they're going to take a photo, I want this photo to be uploaded. Let's say 1 photo per page. Okay, so this is how I want it submitted. So I have 2 pages, so therefore I am going to choose submission type. I have here 2 options: online text and file submission. For this case, it's file submission, so I'll have them submit 2 files. Of course, the limit is 20 MB lang. Okay, so next is activity completion. I will enable this one. This will be completed. Show activity as completed. Due date will be on the 21st, 28th. Okay, so let's review first. When we create an assignment, you give the appropriate title name, give the instructions, and then if there are attached files, then you can just click and drag to the attached file. And then next is you set the availability, enable the submission from and the due date. Next is when you tick this one, always show on description. When they are on the main page of your eClass, they will see the description. Okay, So that's the purpose of this one. Next is for the submission type. This one is not an online text but a file submission. So I'll be expecting 2 files for them to upload, 2 pictures. Some students may opt to get one shot only, one photo of their 2-page activity. So but I want it uh, 1 photo per page as per instruction. Okay, so I'll be expecting 2 files. So maximum size will be 20 MB. Okay, so let's not tweak the other options here. This one is very important so that it will automatically inform everybody, both the students and you, of their completed task. And then save and return to course. Okay, so let's view this. Let's change role and view this as a student. Sorry, medyo mabagal ang net. Change student. And then let's see. Yan. Okay, where's lesson 2? Option 1. Yeah. So I must click this first. And then there's the file. Here's the instruction. Submission, comments, and then add submission. If the student will click this, and then they are to click and drag files. Yan. So it will display here that maximum of 2 files will be allowed for this submission. Okay, and then click and save changes. Now that's how you add submission. That's how you add an assignment with file submission. So I hope this one will help you in preparing your activities for your class. Now take note that I have added there the due date on the 21st. If I will, on my calendar here as displayed, when the students will mouse over the date, it will display the what's due on the 21st. So that will help if you set the due date. So okay, that's it for adding an assignment, file submission. Hope you learned something. Enjoy eClass.